Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to read deleted WhatsApp messages. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and use the Android's notification history. Okay, these are for text messages. So when you go ahead and swipe down, you should be able to see a notification right here. If not, you could go ahead over to settings. Okay, go ahead and find notifications. Now tap on advanced settings. Like so, tap on notification history. If this one is enabled, you'll be able to see the messages right here under the WhatsApp app. Now, another option is by restoring from a WhatsApp backup. Okay, so go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Tap on 3 dots right here at the top right. Tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on chats. Now go ahead and find chat backup. All right. Now, this method right here works if your backup was created before the message was deleted. Okay, so go ahead and check the backup time. And again, if your backup was created before the message was deleted, you can just go ahead and uninstall WhatsApp right here. Tap and hold, uninstall or delete if you're using iOS. Reinstall it from your Play Store or App Store. Okay, then just go ahead and log back in using your phone number or email. And when prompted to restore, just tap on restore. And again, if the backup was made before the deletion, the chat or the message will be right there. Okay, that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.